Hello guys, and let me give you very practical advice how you can become six-figure dropshipper or at least five-figure dropshipper. So this is just the way how I became six-figure dropshipper, and this is not one night experience. You have to know that this is reality, and in reality sometimes it takes time. Okay, so but there is very few and simple steps what you can do to change your dropshipping career to another level, and it's very simple actually. The very first step what you have to do is you have to understand how eBay works, and eBay doesn't work like many other platforms out there, but eBay works in a system what I call process in a progress. So which means by saying this process in a progress, you have to develop process in a progressive way on your account. That's it. That's all the secret of this dropshipping game. If you can develop process in progressive way, you are matching the eBay's algorithm. So there is no secrets, there is no hot selling products, there is no winning products. There is only one secret in this phrase: process in progressive way. If you can do this, you will be successful. So what it means practically? Practically it means you start with the very small products, listing small products, listing them only 1-2 products a day. For the first week, for the second week, I have laid down all the blueprint on my training courses, but you can do it by yourself if you will keep in your mind this magical phrase: process in progressive way. That's it, guys. You start small items, $7, $8, $9, then you raise the prices, and that's how you grow from one-figure dropshipper to two-figure dropshippers to three-figure dropshipper to become four-figure dropshipper. It's all about the process in progressive way. Guys, if you follow the YouTube gurus who promise you that you can earn $1,000 in the first month, it's just a bullshit. I guarantee you, with all what I know, with all what I have, this is bullshit. Nobody earns thousands of dollars in the first month, in the second month. Nobody, no human being. If somebody does this, this is alien. Okay, guys, take care about your business and keep the process in progressive way. Bye bye for now. Talk to you soon again.